Slice up your chicken breast to make the best sandwich you've ever seen. Season everything up. Bop, bada bing, boom. New house, same me. Let's water the plants a little bit. What are you looking at? Now water the pan, bitch. Get the cutlets in. Beautiful, sexy. Let's make a little pesto. First ingredient, some grass-fed, grass-finished basil. Biggest piece of garlic you've ever seen. Chuck it in. Some pecorino, bitch. Salt, pepper, some of that fertilizer. Choo-choo. Psych, bitch. Cut this bitch in half. Ooh, little oil. Let's toast it up. Beautiful. Oh. I should call it. Pesto first. Chicken, make it a little spicy. Wow. And some parmesan. Oh my lordy lord. Million likes, I'll open a restaurant just for you, bitch. Bon appetito, bitch. Life is good when it's understood.